What's up, everybody? Doing a video today on my Escalade here. Change the shocks out, man. Just some air shocks. Because I did the front ones, so I figured, heck, I might as well do the back ones because the back one's getting wobbly. So, simple. I mean, it's not your standard. You got your airline in there, and then you got your 2-pin plug, right? Can you see that? 2-pin plug right there with a little clip. No big deal. So I changed that. Put some new ones in there. And they're in there nice. Everything's cool. I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if I can get on there. 2 bolts, one in the bottom, one in the top. Line, everything's cool. They air it up and everything. Go to turn this puppy on, and nothing wants to turn on. So come in here, turn this on, try to start it. It's a Service hybrid system. I'm like, what the hell? Service brake soon, and service traction control. So I got all these lights on now. Just from switching. Oh, stability track. Just from switching 2 shocks. Can't believe it. I did some upgrades here. I added my EQ here, which is pretty dope. Because you can't switch out the head unit, because the head unit does the hybrid and all that. So you got to keep the dash in there. Anyways, switch that over to here, extended it, looks custom. Added some subs in the back. Stupid, don't ever buy this charger. That thing don't work for shit. It don't start nothing big. Might start a Honda, but it definitely won't start a hybrid or a diesel. Anyways, back to this here. Yeah, man. If anybody's got any input on that, I'm gonna have to take it back to the dealer. All I did was change two shocks. 4 bolts. Took me about half hour, and now this thing don't start. Crazy. I don't know what that's about. Oh, I added some speakers on the side too. Pretty cool. Oh, some tweeters up front. Sounds pretty good. But I'm stuck waiting for a tow truck for 3 hours now, because I can't go anywhere. It won't. If I turn it over, it just won't start. Crazy. Just from changing two shocks. I don't know what the hell happened. 2009 Cadillac Escalade hybrid. Any input, let me know.